Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be cleaning and decorating for the 4th of July. I think the last decorate video I did was Easter. That's what it was. So as you guys know, if you have been watching my videos for a while now, I like to decorate for pretty much every holiday because I love holidays. And when I'm filming this video right now, it's actually Memorial Day weekend. So I'll be decorating, I guess, essentially for that as well. By the time I get it uploaded though, it's probably gonna be in June. I mean, it's gonna be like, probably like a week or two into June, cause I am so far ahead right now with my videos. I'm also behind on stuff. A lot of new videos coming up. I'm trying to do different ones for you guys. I know I do these decorating videos a lot, but today I think I'm gonna try to do it a little bit differently. I know you guys probably get tired of seeing the same stuff that I clean and decorate every time. I think today I'll probably take you guys with me to clean the kitchen and possibly the laundry room, just to, you know, for it to be a little bit different. I don't have a lot of 4th of July decorations. I have very little. So it's not gonna be anything too extreme. This is literally all I have. This is it. And it's, you know, most of it just, it's from Dollar Tree. It's really cheap stuff. And it's, yeah, there's like 4 things to set out. So it's more of a cleaning video, I guess. But anyways, I will quit talking because this is supposed to be a relaxing video. Hopefully this will be a motivational video for you to clean and decorate, because I like watching videos like this sometimes and it gets me motivated. I'm not really motivated right now today. And my house isn't like terrible. I mean, I cleaned a lot of it last night because I totally forgot I was filming this video today. So it's not bad, which is another reason I wanted to do the kitchen and possibly the laundry room. I keep my house like pretty clean and clutter-free like most of the time. Hi, bud. I know. I'm always cleaning up after Jack though. But you're worth it, aren't you? Yeah, you just shed a lot. It's not your fault. It's not your fault at all. He's pouting today because he can't go swim. He likes to go swimming and it's not warm enough yet. You have to wait, okay? Yeah, but it will be, I'm sure, on the 4th of July. I know, it'll be okay. All right, well, Jack's probably gonna pout while I clean because he's not happy right now. So let's go ahead and get started. right, so I'm pretty much done decorating, and I opened my closet door and realized I have more decorations. So it's gonna look a little different at the end of the video because I'm gonna put these signs up probably. And some of the decorations I've had to change around because they didn't stay up. So yeah, stay tuned for the end of the video because it's gonna look completely different. Jack. Hi, bud. Come here. Hi, bud.